Hey, what's up, guys? Today, Seth, Brock somewhere over there, and I are going to be opening.
There's 75 cards plus one
We
pack.
went to Sky Zone.
And look at the first card.
We went to Sky Zone.
Look at the first card. Shaq Daddy.
Bang! Shaq Daddy.
Let's get into this.
Okay. That's the bottom of the sock. Yes, we went to Sky Zone.
Should I open the pack first?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, crap. Okay.
The pack.
NBA Hoops pack. Well, that was easy to open.
Looked like it.
I get Wes Unseld, I think. Brad Davis, Horace Grant, Jerome Kersey, Derek Coleman. He's pretty good. Dominic Wilkins.
Mark Eaton.
I don't know who that is. Thurl Bailey. I thought that was freaking Larry Bird.
Cheney.
J.R. Reed, Otis Smith, Ed Neely, Greg Anderson, Richie
Adubido.
I don't know, Mike Dunleavy. That was
Cool.
pretty good.
I see a Reggie Miller. Okay.
I'm gonna.
Sky Sox. We went to Sky Zone. As I already said. Sky Zone. Not sponsored. Sky Zone.
Yeah.
It's a trampoline park. Indoor trampoline park.
If anyone doesn't know, who doesn't know?
Some
Okay.
people's are called like Fly Zone. I'm pretty sure.
That would be a smarter name. Well, no, because Sky Zone is pretty fun. Okay. Shaq Daddy.
Shaq Daddy. Shaq Daddy. Mookie Baylock.
Yep. Mike Brown. Jeff Malone.
Watermelon.
Ed Pickney.
Pickle. I'm gonna call him Ed Pickle.
Maurice Cheeks. I've had him. Michael Williams. Gary Grant. Man, you're a really shaky cameraman.
I know, I suck.
Scott Hastings. He's good. Terry Pistons.
Bill.
Grant Hill.
No.
That's Grant
Oh,
Hill.
yeah. I was
Yeah,
looking
Grant
at the
Hill.
next one.
Bill Winnington.
Yeah.
I can't read cursive. I know I'm such a...
Tim
it's
Hardaway.
Tim Hardaway. I already have a lot of him. Sean Kemp. Reggie Theus.
Thought it was Reggie Miller.
Rick Fox.
Dude, I can't hold the camera.
Greg Anderson. I already got him.
MJ?
No. Mitch Richmond. I don't know how to say that.
Nobody knows. It's that. It's a card.
Doesn't say his name on
Yeah,
here.
it says on the back.
But
Terry
Potter.
Potter.
Matt
Potty.
Geiger.
Michael Williams.
Michael Williams. Lassell
LaSalle.
Thompson. Clay Thompson. Mike
Corn.
O'Kern.
Dwayne Wade.
Dwayne. Ooh, that's like his first.
Dwayne Wade.
That's like his first year playing in the Heat. Lawrence Fun.
Brock, get over here.
Brock is like sorting as much as he can before he comes over
I
here.
can't.
Tony Koku.
Koku. Brock, get over here.
Theo Ralph.
Radif.
Monte Ellis. And it's his Warriors card.
Brock, get over here.
This is a really old card. Phil
Ford.
Ford, man. Kelvin
Ramsey.
Trailblazers.
Trailblazers. I can't hold this camera for
Randy
much longer.
Foy.
What good people have you gotten so far?
Couple. Shaq. Oh, I can't even name him. Karen Butler. Jermaine O'Neal.
O'Neal.
Chris
Paul.
Chris Paul when he played on New Orleans.
Who's that?
Troy
Murphy.
Ooh.
I thought that was Chris Montana.
Eddie Jones.
Joakim Noah.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh, he sucked.
Tom
Hammonds.
Hammonds. What's up? Don't know how to say his name.
Nobody does.
Dennis Hobson.
Hobson.
I thought that said Dennis Rodman for a second.
That face though. That face though.
It's like MJ when he dunks. AC Farrell.
That face though.
Eric Riley.
Mitch Richmond.
Chris Morris. Travis Mays.
Horrible camera work. Sorry.
I'm a better cameraman. Herb Williams. And guys, eventually I'll show you all my cards.
My arm hurts, bro.
Orlando Magic. Donald Royal.
Oh, my arm hurts.
Tony Bennett. Monty Williams. Mario Ellie. Lloyd Daniels. Herbert Davis. Orlando. Laurel Ridge. Isaiah Thomas.
Huh?
You make that fast.
Stephen
Curry.
Howard. I wish. Kevin McHale. Larry Stewart.
Be like, I don't care. Larry Stewart.
Keith.
The Bullets.
Yeah.
Show them.
Oh, yeah. Elliot Perry. Orlando Woolridge. Behind the scenes card. Blazers win overtime NBA Finals at 1-1.
Oh, that's a Sheldon.
Oh, yeah.
That's a newspaper card.
Chuck Nevitt. Jerome Kersey. Kenny Smith. Hakeem. Don't know how to say that last name.
Who showed them that?
Khalid
Reeves.
Reeves. Brian Howard.
That is easy to open.
Wayman Tisdale. Sameki Walker. I have his rookie card. Johnny Newman. Harry Johnson.
Reggie Miller.
Reggie Miller. That's a cool card. I have two of his.
Especially since we like the Pacers so much.
I don't.
I'm wearing a jersey right now.
I like the Warriors the most. People can hate. I like Clay. I like Draymond Green. I like everyone on the
But
team.
you've only liked them for like 2 years.
Only?
Yes.
That's a long time.
I've liked the Pacers for my whole life. I literally
Yeah, I have.
have.
They're still my. I don't hate them. I don't.
Okay,
hate
10
them.
minutes.